Some people work hard to get that promotion while others just go back to school. That's right, prestigious management schools right from the IIMs to SP Jain have been paying an increasing amount of attention to one-year business programs meant for professionals with significant work experience. The programs focus on making sure that years of practical knowledge is supplemented with the latest in management theory and practice.
The Indian industries are going to grow manifold in the next 10 years' time. And that will require managers at different levels. Also, it requires some kind of a cross-fertilization between functions. You might like to have a personal manager with a production background.
In fact, for many professionals, the main motive behind opting out of a secure job and into a business program has been the jump to middle management and taking part in the decision-making process instead of just following orders.
The 55 participants that we have in our batch, they have already played a roles like business development management, they have done product management, project management, research analyst. So now actually they are planning to move up the ladder in the organization. After doing this course, what I feel, I have got a broader perspective of the industry and companies as a whole.
That is also why most one-year MBA or executive MBA programs, as they are known, require over 5 years of meaningful work experience, although some schools do take in those with 2 years plus. In fact, experts and students agree that in a one-year MBA, most of the learning comes through the peers.
People come with from different sectors. So there's a lot of cross-learning that's taking place, and that's the most important thing. The thought is to save time and to learn things faster and to get back to employment.
My colleagues are one of the really excellent people with considerable background. So I learn a lot from them as well. And I get to upgrade my skills quickly and get back into the industry at a higher level.
Diversity is the key here, and that's what the batch intake reflects. The emphasis in the executive MBA is not on teaching basics, but actually on building them. The students are exposed to the various roles they may have to handle. They are taught general management skills as well as offered functional depth into the industry of their choice.
When he comes into the B school, he has already got a practical knowledge but does not have a theoretical knowledge. So when he gets into the theoretical as well as practical, he can find out that there is a lot of conjunction between practice and theory, number one. And number two, he could also find out what were the wrong things that he had done in practice and therefore what are the right ways to do it in practice.
In fact, most students who have applied for the course are working towards changing their job profile within the industry they have experience in. But what they want is an upgrade in terms of role and responsibility.
Higher responsibility, similar kind of companies. So higher responsibility is far more important than sector change.
Being in the industry in a pure technical role before this course, now I will be equipped with more managerial skills. And going forward, I would apply my technical skills with the value addition that has been done here. And I can actually go to the industry in the roles like consulting, business development, sales, pre-sales, and for the roles like that.
Value addition aside, in the past, executive MBA program graduates have received on an average a 40 to 80% hike in their salary. Although do remember, the course will cost you 1 year in lost salary as well as anywhere from 10 to 20 lakh rupees in fees. So if you think you have the technical know-how but want to be at a different position within your chosen industry, then this may be the right course for you. All you need is a decent CAT, XAT or GMAT score and preferably 5 years of work experience. Colleges that have these courses on offer for those with 2 years work experience are the Indian School of Business or ISB Hyderabad and the Great Lakes Institute of Management in Chennai. For all those of you with more than 5 years experience, the SP Jain Institute of Management and Research, XLRI Jamshedpur and the International Management Institute are some options. Most of the IIMs also offer these courses and the fees they charge range from 14 to 18 lakh rupees. For more information on these courses, log on to the Cracking Careers page on the UTVI website www.utvi.com.